Today, I'm going to go over Uranium Energy Corporation for Alex H. Hi, Alex. It's ticker symbol UEC. And Alex is learning how to trade. And I just have to say, there are many ways to make money in the stock market. This is just one method, and I find it very easy and simple to use, and that's why I like it. So let's get into this. I'm going to show you the RSI and the MACD in just a moment, but first to the numbers. The stock ended the day at $4.59. It is down 1%. The 52-week low, $1.89. The 52-week high, $5.79. Volume lower than normal with 11.9 million shares traded. We typically see 13.4 million shares traded, and you need volume in order for a stock to rip. Now, the market cap, $1.2 billion. Let's take a look at the performance for the week. It is down 9%. For the month, it is up 13%. And for the year, it is up a whopping 43%. If you want to do a deep dive into the company, check out its financials. Click on that tab. It will show you the overview, the income statement, the balance sheet, the cash flow, and the stats on the company. Now, under the technicals, it's considered a buy for the day, but if you click on that, you can also do a deeper dive into the oscillators, the moving averages, and the pivot points. Now, under the analyst rating, it is considered a strong buy as well. Let's take a look at the chart itself. We are sitting right here at three standard deviations. This is 2 standard deviations, this is 3 standard deviations, and this is 4 standard deviations. Now, to the upside of this is $5.40, and to the downside, we are looking at $3.96. This is resistance, and another level of resistance. This is money, this is more money, and this is the jackpot. And the stock hit the jackpot back in November of 21. And notice, whenever a stock hits resistance, which is this point, what does it do? It tends to fall down because people are taking their profits and they're running. And that's exactly what happened here. So it fell, it went back again to this level of resistance at 2 standard deviations, fell down again. This is the middle or the median, and this is where price likes to float. But if you are up here and price goes down here, this is considered support. If price was down here and it went to this green line, this is considered resistance. So again, we are at support, and what happens when a stock hits support? It tends to bounce. And in this case, that's exactly what it did. It went up, back up to this line. So we are back down here, and hopefully we will continue to make our way back up here. Now on tipranks.com, the average analyst forecast is $7. The low side is 7, the high is also $7. On money.cnn.com, the average is 660, the low is 550, and the high is $7. If you were to buy this stock, let's say at $5, we're going to round up from $4.59. That is a return of 3%. If the stock goes up to the next level at $6.60, that is a return of 23%. And if the stock goes to $7, that is a return of 31%. Of course, we may never get there. We could take forever to get that there. So you just have to decide, is this stock worth it for you if you're just getting in? I prefer to buy down at these levels, at -2, -3, or -4 standard deviations. Of course, the stock has to be a good stock in order for me to do that and take my risk down there. But I do buy stocks along this line as well. So it just depends on what the stock is and where price is. Now let's take a look at the RSI. I think I was thinking stomach because my stomach is growling. I'm hungry. All right, the RSI is turning down. We're about to hit maybe 55. This is the zone where it's oversold and people tend to cash out. And notice when the RSI hit almost 80 at this level, which coincides to up here at 4 standard deviations. The stock started to fall. People were taking their profits. And then going back in time as well at this level, another level that we are overbought here. In this level, it started to fall down as well. Let's take a look at when the stock was oversold, meaning it was at a discounted price. So down here, we're almost at 20 on the RSI. This coincides right here at the low point. You could have picked this stock up at about what? 37 cents. And oops, let me get rid of that. Cancel. And this is basically during the COVID crash right here when the stock cratered. And of course, if you picked up the stock and you did not fear the market, you got in, you were taking risks, well, you got rewarded. Let me show you what the return is down here. If you bought this, held strong, and it went to this level, that is a return of 903%. If you are still hanging on to your shares at this point, your return is at roughly 1,501%. Congratulations if you held this long on this stock. That is incredible if you did. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily time frame. Here, it's important to check out the different time frames because it gives you different buy and sell signals. I typically play on the daily or on the weekly, but I've been playing more on the weekly lately. Let's take a look again at the daily. We are right here to the upside. We are talking $5.33. To the downside, we are talking $4.02. And the RSI is right about at 55. It's really just kind of heading down, it looks like. The market was bleeding out today, let me tell you. And the MACD going down. We need both of these to go up to show us that there is a true sign of a reversal, and it does not look like we are there just yet. So you will have to be patient with this stock. Let's take a look at the 3-minute time frame. To the upside is $4.73. To the downside is $4.52. Let me enable VWAP. I like to use VWAP to get in and out of my trades. And VWAP is at $4.71. And to the upper channel is $4.81. To the downside is $4.61. If you're using the linear, that is $4.94. And to the downside is $4.51. The RSI is turning up, and the MACD has not crossed over to the upside just yet. It looks like it is still continuing to fall. So I wanted to go over this for Alex, and let me show you how the market ended. As you can see, a sea of red. This is a good opportunity for some of you if you were trying to buy the dip or get into a stock that has been previously overbought. But be cautious, be careful here because the market still could continue to go down. If there is a stock that you want me to check out, please comment below. And to see my other stock picks, check out my other videos. Thank you so much for watching.